Hi guys, welcome back to Art by Jennifer. For those of you who've been here before, welcome back to my channel. And for those of you whose first time it is here to my craziness, welcome. So this week, guys, I'm going to do a tree ring pour on a taped off piece of canvas. And what I mean by taped off is taped off. So as you can see, I have tape here and here and there and there. Yeah. So we're going to see how this tree ring pour works out on this. If you're interested in seeing what's going to happen, stick around. Okay guys, so like I said, I'm doing a tree ring pour. This week I'm going to be using Artist Loft pouring paints. I've really become fond of these pouring paints. Makes my life so much easier. But I'm going to be using aqua green, bright blue, old gold, and titanium white. For my base, I'm going to be using Artist Loft's white paint that I've already pre-mixed. So what I'm going to try and do and see how this works out for me, I'm going to flood the canvas first. And then I'm going to pour my ring on top. So let's start by flooding the canvas. Also, I've not used any silicone, any Floetrol, nothing like that. It's just paint and water. I hope you guys have been doing well through this whole COVID situation that we got going on. I hope you're staying safe and staying in the house and finding something to do inside to entertain yourself. Hopefully my videos are halfway entertaining. They entertain me, if nothing else. All right, so once you've gotten your paint spread out mostly, make sure you're good with the corners, or the edges rather, because it will have to go over the edges. Well, for me, it's going to go over the edges. And then the fun part. So what I'm going to do is layer my cups, and I'll show you how I'm going to do it. So as I've done before, oop, hold on. Let me get some more of this paint moved real quick. There we go. I ain't like the way this edge over here was setting. So anyway, back to this cup. I've said before in my videos that the first paint or the last paint that you want to come out will be the first paint that you put in. So I want to put some blue at the bottom of this because I want that to be the last thing that comes out of there. It's a lot of blue. And then I'm going to put some white. Get out of there, speck. We're going to take some of this aqua. We're going to take a little of this gold. Repeat. I know I'm not the smartest and I know I'm not the largest, but I promise you that I'm gonna be the one that worked the hardest, because I promise you that I'm just getting started, and I promise you that my skills are getting sharper, so I'ma get charted, can't be guarded, nah, I'm the one to get retarded, get the party started, yeah, get the party started, yeah, so let me get up on it, yeah, you got me up, I don't know what's up, let's get it over this canvas. We about to turn up, crank this shit up so loud, sounds like we're sold out, in front of a whole crowd, we lose control now, I'll take it too personally, everybody got a different version of me, everybody gotta be learning from me, everybody wanna be working with me, and I feel like there's uncertainty and urgency to find out what you wanna be, but honestly, we change our minds constantly, so stop and breathe to find out who you wanna be. Okay, so as you guys saw, I definitely tanked that first one. Don't know what was going on with paint. Maybe it was too thick. Maybe it just wasn't feeling me. The paint god said, poo on you. But here we are, take two. option, so I'd be cautious. I hope that you're watching. Don't try to stop this, work until I'm nauseous. Cause I will not quit, no, because I want this. Don't try to stop me, failure ain't an option, so I'd be cautious. I hope that you're watching. Don't try to stop this, work until I'm nauseous. Cause I will not quit, no, because I want this.
So guys, I don't know about this one. I think today might just be a bust. Learning a valuable lesson about trying to do a tree ring pour with Artist Loft pouring paints. Typically when I pour, I use a thicker paint that helps the rings hold their shape better. And the Artist Loft paint, the pouring paint anyway, you can't really adjust how thick it is. So, yes, we're gonna call this a not everything works out the way that you want it to, unfortunately, and this one did not go where I wanted it to go at all. I saw this ending up differently. I really did. So I'm gonna let it dry, see what happens, and then I'll show you guys the dry result. Because remember, we taped it off to begin with. So maybe it's just something different. For me, it's a no. So my vote on Artist Loft Ready Mix Pouring Paint for a tree ring pour, don't do it. Anyhow, thank you guys so much for watching my video this week and sticking around with me for my complete and utter failure. But hopefully it was entertaining at least. And if you guys enjoyed today's content, even me and my shenanigans, make sure you smash that like and subscribe button. And until the next time, see you guys later. Bye.
Failure ain't an option, so I'd be cautious. I hope that you're watching. Don't try to stop this, work until I'm nauseous. Cause I will not quit, no, because I want this. Don't try to stop me.